Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. We've got our multiple bullseye t-shirt. Oh yeah, I got a new little mini stole. Check that out, people. Look at that. Yeah. I got tired of squatting down over there all the time. It was getting rough on my knees.
He's a little bit older than I am.
Yeah, and I've already got knee issues and whatnot, pre-existing, so that wasn't helping things. But check out this multiple bullseye. Was it 6 bullseyes, right?
Yeah.
So that would be a what? An octa bullseye?
No.
Octa's 8, so.
6 is 7. Like sextuplets.
Yeah.
Or no, sex is 6. Because sept is 7. Septuplets is 7.
What's the name of a 6-sided figure?
A sexagon. I don't know.
Let's get the light.
6-sided, that would be a octagon.
An octagon, so it's a octa bullseye.
No, because octa means 8. So that's
What I
not
thought,
right.
yeah.
No, that's not
That's what I
right.
just said outside.
Wait, 6-sided, that would be, I don't know. A stop sign. No, because that is still 8. Because the sides. I don't know, man. We'll look it up.
How long has it been since you left geometry class? So without looking, everyone comment below what you think it is.
Last time I was in geometry class was like, I don't know, 10th grade.
I guess if I do that, I can't title it that. I don't know. We'll see. Getting it unbanded.
This one got a little bit of spots on it. So, there's spots on him. Oh no.
Looks really cool though. Check the lens real quick. All the way unbanded. Wow, look at that. Okay, that's nice. Check that out, people. Look at all those bullseyes. Blue, green. Oh yeah. That came out really good. I like that a lot. Yes, very nice. Very nice indeed. That's the back, folks. Cool. Awesome. Yes. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that came out pretty good. This is our multi-bullseye, and this is just a medium, so if we can get 6 of that size on a medium. Just think how many I'll be able to get onto a large. They came out really good, nice definition. Don't know what happened there, but stuff happens. But yeah, nice gradient all the way through. Nice multi-bullseye tee. Looks pretty good. 6 of them on there. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us do next. But yeah, definitely gonna do some more of these. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.